Hi guys, it's Angel here and finally we get to make some slime. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. And don't forget to click that thumbs up button down below. And we're going to make some slime and it's going to be butter. Because of this, these are Orbeez or whatever. This is some bath clay, it's from Lush. So it's Play-Doh, so you mould it into a shape and then you wash yourself with it. So you wash your body with it, and or you can wash your hair with it. It's clear basically. Let's take that out. I hope this glue works. It looks goopy because normally I'm going to use this whole bottle because I want a big slime. So now I might add some paint. I'm using my favourite colour. That much. Now I'm going to mix them in and see if I've added in. Wow, Daddy, doesn't that look so cool?
Definitely.
Okay, that is, so I had to squeeze out, but yeah. Okay, I think that might be good. Now, my favourite colour is orange. And it looks so cool. I've never had slime like this before. Okay, now I'm going to add some machine cream. Okay, I need to do it this way. I don't want it too white, so I might just add this because it's really pretty like this. I like light colours. I like dark better than... I like dark really better than light. Well, I like neon colours as well. It looks like an orange cloud. See?
I've just realised something.
What?
You didn't mix the bottle.
I don't mind.
You have to mix that.
Oh, do I?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because all the borax will be at the bottom. Is it even activating that? Oh yeah, it is, look.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. Okay, I'm going to add a bit more. That's good. Okay, I'm nearly done with the activator. Wow, Daddy, look, it's coming together now.
You need more activator.
Just a
But you
bit.
have to add it really slow, don't you?
Yeah, I guess.
Like just like a couple of drops at a time.
I guess.
It's not even coming out. Oh, don't put too much in because it'll ruin it.
No, look how stretchy it is. Oh, my hand. Okay.
What, are you tight? Are you getting tired?
Yeah, from mixing it so much. So, it looks like ice cream.
Oh, Angel, do you know what? It looks like a mango ice cream.
Orange.
Do not eat any of that. Seriously. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No. Did you taste it?
Yeah.
Oh, Angel.
I didn't actually.
It'll make your belly go poorly.
I didn't. I'll never try slime. I'm not letting you try slime, Daddy.
Is it ready to use your hands, do you think?
One more up.
That is the best slime on, well, that anybody's ever made, I think.
Okay, I think it might be ready to mix in my hands.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Oh, man. Angel, do you know, honestly, you've got so much better at making slime.
Oh, the first time I did it, we put it outside without the lid on.
Oh, what, the slime?
Yeah, and it dried up on the floor.
Slime goes mouldy, doesn't it, if you don't...
Oh, yeah, I saw one of my slimes and it was all mouldy. Wow, this looks so cool, but it's quite sticky still. Let me see that.
real poppy. Are you going to put some beads in and snow? Or is it ready?
Do you think it is?
No, I don't think so. Maybe a little bit more activated. I don't know though. It's not sticking to your hands, is it?
You're not really commander.
Yeah. What, are you going to put everything all in at the same time?
Yeah. Okay, maybe not. Because I love mixing and see. Okay, I might not add this whole pack. Look at them. This could be like cake.
Oh.
Wow, this is going to be very crunchy.
They're like proper slime beads, you know.
Daddy, this looks like this doesn't look like clear slime, does it?
No, not anymore. No, it was clear slime.
Well, I added that in because it makes it all fluffy.
Whoa, Angel, that it's poppy and
This is
bubbly.
my favourite slime. Okay.
Look at the colours though. Like you can see every single colour.
You can see all the beads inside, can't you, Daddy?
Yeah.
It's like confetti. It's like confetti cakes. It's like sprinkles.
Whoa, let me look really close.
And I love Famous 2 Kids. That's my favourite YouTube channel.
Famous 2 Kids. What do they do? What videos do they do?
They do like games and hide and seek.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh, and then a big splash at the end. I won't put any snow in there. We've got a bag of snow, haven't we? But I won't put that bag of snow in because I think it'll spoil it. Do you?
Glitter and clay, that would be good.
I wouldn't even put the clay in. I wouldn't even put that clay in there.
I would. I'm gonna put everything in.
Really? Angel, them colours are amazing in that. Do you know why? Because the balls, the little bits of plastic, aren't they? So like they stay the same shape.
Here's something.
No, don't put a packet in. Won't work.
And I'm not putting a packet in my slime. I think I might use this red because that matches the colour.
Yeah, that's alright. Yeah, if you put maybe one slime in or one glitter. Angel, you're supposed to be putting a little bit of that in.
Yeah.
That's a full tub.
That's bigger.
Yeah, well, if you won't even be able to put that in because if you put that in, it won't even mix in, I don't think. Let's have a look at the other side.
Okay.
Whoa.
Wow.
Oh,
That's
and
so
it's
pretty.
And it's crunchy.
It'll be crunchy, butter, confetti, slime, glittery slime,
Definitely.
and snow slime. This could be a winter wonderland. This could be a winter wonderland slime.
It takes a long time to mix the glitter in, doesn't it? Like fully.
Wow, it's a different colour.
Whoa.
That looks
got,
so
like-
cool.
Yeah, that is, Angel, we've made a lot of slime, but that is one of the best ones I've seen so far. It's because of them balls, and it's clear glue.
Yeah, do you know the bubbles?
Mm.
They're so good with clear glue.
Mm.
They're so good. When you do a bubble, they're so good with clear glue.
Yeah.
All the balls are bouncing everywhere like this. Bongy bongs. Mix my snow in.
Some snow?
Yeah.
Okay.
The battery's flat on the whole thing, so I need to be quick, guys.
Turbo mix. Turbo. It's still mixing really well though, isn't it?
Oh, Daddy, these are actually Orbeez.
Are they really?
From an activator, it makes it like Orbeez. Feel them, Daddy.
You are being super quick. This is turbo slime, guys. They are Orbeez, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're getting bigger, aren't they, from the activator?
Yeah, they're getting so big. But like that's all. Or like a big. I love this one, but really quick. Okay, I'm gonna mess my slime up. And then I'm not gonna mess my slime up. Okay. On a piece of clay, I just
What, have you put clay in there as well?
it's not basically clay, but it's kind of like clay, so I just put it in.
Whoa, it's like proper bouncy.
Can you hear them?
Yeah. They're like bouncing balls now. Oh, Angel, they're going everywhere. They're going everywhere. They're all over your floor and everything.
You're picking them up.
No way, you are. Oh, look at them. They're turning into jumping beans.
Don't even go forgetting.
Oh no, they're turning into jumping beans.
Oh, that clay's falling out.
I didn't think Orbeez would do that if they went into slime, did you?
Oh my goodness.
Oh. Oh. Angel, there's Orbeez everywhere. Oh. They're getting bigger than Orbeez. That's 100% they're getting bigger. Oh, why are they all coming? The one in my mouth. I've swallowed like 10 Orbeez.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Angel!
I'm making more mess for you, Daddy.
It's not for me. Oh! Oh, Angel! There's Orbeez everywhere. They're even on the floor. Look, they're on the floor. They're everywhere. Oh.
I don't care.
Wow, Angel, they've gone all soft. Oh! Angel!
Yeah, these are Orbeez.
Oh!
You're tiny business,
Oh.
not me. Oh, yeah! Bye, guys! Bye! Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button. Bye!